In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make Chrome is the default browser on Windows 10 and 11. If you prefer Chrome over Microsoft Edge as your default browser on Windows 10 or 11, here's how to do it. If you haven't already, download and install Google Chrome from its official website. Click on the Start menu and then select the gear icon to open the Settings window. In the Settings window, locate and click on Apps. Click on Default Apps in the left sidebar. Scroll down to find Google Chrome or search for it using the search bar. Click on Google Chrome to select it, and on the far right, click Set Default to make Chrome as your default browser. So the process goes the same for Windows 10 and 11, so you can do it on both Windows easily. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.